Hello guys, it's a sad day for me because I will have to say goodbye. It was almost 2 years of YouTube and I have to change my headphones, okay? What was you thinking? My headphones have already 2 years. They have been with me since of the beginning of YouTube. This is the headphones you see on my setup videos, and I decided that it was time to update these headphones. And I'm gonna show you now the two products I will have to change these headphones. Let me show you. Sennheiser, obviously. These are one of my favorite headphones until now, so I will remain in the same brand. I will pick up the Sennheiser HD 599 and the HD 559. This basically is a facelift of my ones, because my ones are the 558 and this is more or less a facelift of my old ones. So let's check it out inside the box what we have here, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, as you can see, we've got two different models. Let me just put this here. We have the 599 and the 559. And what are the difference between one and the other? Okay, first of all, it's the price. You're gonna pay more for the 599 than the 559. Why? Because, for example, this has finished. This is a more premium quality. The sound is better, the comfort is better, and for example, in the bulb of the headset, this is leather. Okay, you can feel it. It's leather. I mean, it's a premium product. It doesn't have a price really high, but it's a high price. So this is the difference between this and this. What I'm gonna say now more about the headphones are, you can remove both on them this cable. As you can see, it's not wireless. This does not mean it's wireless, okay? It just means that you can change it for example, for a cable like this, you know, different one. You can remove it and put another, the jack 3.5 in it, in both of the headsets. What these headsets have so good that I like them is the earbuds are not closed in this part, okay? In this part, as you see, it's open. So every time you are on the computer, for example, editing your videos, listen to music, something, you are doing something, playing games, you can hear all around you. I mean, you can hear all the sounds that are around you. Because if someone calls you, if you are in the work, these are for me one of the best choices you can have. For example, if you are a guy that listens a lot of music in the work, these are the main reasons why I've chose these two headphones. And the other part is missing here is what? Just leave me in the comments what you think now. What do you think that I'm gonna show you now that it's missing here for the setup? For example, heads up, obviously. If you have a headset and you want a place to store him, the best place to use it's HeadsUp. And why? For example, my one is under the table, which is great because I always connect my cable. You know that my headphone is connected directly under the table, so I can put it directly under the table, remove it and listen to it. So what you can do now, I'm gonna show you. With the headset, for example, like this one, you have two options here that is great. One is for have a place for your headphones. The cable management is great because, as you can see, you've got here a hole in the back and you can put it like this, all the cables. Okay, I just throw them right there. And now you see this type of support. And for what is this support? I'm gonna show you. This is other thing it's great in this headset because you can put your mobile phone on it. So you will store your headphones and you will have a place for your mobile phone. It's not charging, okay, it's not a charger. Too bad. It was really great that we could charge it, but no, you just can keep it. You can, for example, with this headset, you're gonna have a more clean place in your setup. So guys, these are the product review for today. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, I leave all my links in my video description. You can check it out, see all the informations. If you want to buy it, buy it. but for me these are my choices. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel, follow me here on Instagram and Twitter, and always bye bye and see you soon. Oh, come on, you're not gonna cry now, really? Oh, don't cry, don't cry. Okay, I'm gonna put you in a better place. Don't. Oh, okay.